When I was much younger, I used to think that successful people had no obstacles in their lives. However, as I grew older, I realized that it wasn't that they did not have any obstacles, but they were just so focused on their goals that no matter what roadblocks came their way, they were able to stay focused. Hi everyone, hope that you are having a great week. I'm back here today to help you stay on track with your goals. Now I know that as we implement the lessons learned from the last training program we had, there might be some obstacles or roadblocks along the way. And this is not something that just happens to you, it happens to everybody. In fact, it was Henry Ford that said, obstacles are those frightful things that you see when you take your eyes off your goal. So, here are 3 things that you need to stop doing in order to achieve the success that you want. Number 1, stay 100% committed and focused on your goal. Number 2, don't let any obstacles or roadblocks get in your way. And number 3, be consistent and take action every single day. Now, I guarantee you, if you give it your 100%, you will definitely achieve great success. And as promised, I'm going to be here to support you whenever you face challenges and to cheer for you whenever you achieve success. So feel free to connect, reach out to me. Good luck and have a great week ahead.